Hey folks, Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Today I'm standing here with Matt Chapleski, the service manager at Russ Darrow Mazda, and one of our Mazda technicians, Jesus. How you guys doing today?
Wonderful. How are you, Jason?
Oh, I'm always doing well. It's always a sunny day here at Russ Darrow Mazda, right?
That's right.
Today we're going to be talking about the importance of brake management, and what I mean by brake management is servicing your brakes. Brake pads, rotors, calipers, and whatnot. Jesus right now, in fact, is servicing some brakes as we stand here. Zeus, what are you doing right now?
So right now I'm resurfacing the rotors. As you can see here, it's turning right now, and we take some bits that pretty much start from the inside out to make them flat. So when you're going down the road and you step on the brake pedal, your brake pedal isn't pulsating. And it's a cheaper alternative to replacing the rotor. Rotors are usually a lot more expensive. So yeah.
Awesome. So there's definitely alternatives to replacing the rotors. So once again, here at Russ Darrow, we're not all about just charging you for extra work and extra material. If we are able to save you some money by reconditioning your brake rotors, that's something we definitely want to do first to help save you some money, keep your vehicle running strong. What are some other things that we do with brakes here at Russ Darrow Mazda?
So we'll also have to replace the rotors if your rotor that you currently have is too thin. We'll actually service the brakes. So we take the brakes apart, clean everything, re-grease everything, put everything back to within OE specifications, and then it gets you back on the road.
Awesome. What about calipers, things like that?
We can definitely replace the brake calipers, bleed out your brake system. Your brake fluid should be replaced every 3 years, just to get the moisture out of the system. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it for the whole system. So
Awesome. Well, you heard it from the horse's mouth once again, folks. There's various different ways to take care of your brakes. And here at Russ Darrow Mazda, we're not all about selling cars. We're all about taking care of vehicles, but more importantly, about taking care of you, the customer, making sure you're happy and saving your bucks for other activities. Other than that, you guys take care. This is Jason, Matt, and Jesus here at Russ Darrow Mazda, 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Come to the dealership. We'll look for you on the lot. You guys take care. Bye-bye.